Hello, guys. Welcome back to Talkverse, and obviously we are going to just discuss Barcelona versus Inter Milan, and what a crazy game.
Yeah, absolutely. It was an exceptional game and it was completely opposite of what we imagined it to be. क्योंकि जहाँ पे हम एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे इंटर टू प्ले डिफेंसिवली एक दो गोल्स का ही कुछ डिफरेंशिएट करने के लिए होगा बट इट वाज कम्प्लीटली अपोजिट जहाँ पे बारसा अटैक कर रहा है और उसके साथ इंटर भी कॉन्स्टेंटली ट्राइंग टू डू समथिंग सो लेट्स गो वन बाय वन इनटू ईच एंड एवरी इवेंट ये मैच का तुम्हारे लिए स्टार प्लेयर कौन होगा?
I think from Inter side it has to be Dumfries. Bro played just crazy game. And दूसरी तरफ I think there is no doubt it has to be Lamine Yamal because people have already calling him Messi. Yeah. But let's discuss the game first and फिर अपन players discuss करते हैं. So just to start, within 38 seconds Inter is just 1-0 up. Marcus Thuram with a beautiful back heel from
across. It was a great goal,
यार ये ब्यूटी और ये क्रेजी अटैक मैंने तो एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था. Genuinely, I thought Inter will be a full set back, crazy defense वाला team, 5 at the back plus वो लोग का CDMs and वो वैसे ही खेलेगी. No, on contrary, Inter did some great attacks. पहला वाला तो थुरम ने कर लिया, दूसरा वाला Dumfries bicycle. And Inter is 2-0 up 21 minutes into the game. I think they should have shut it down over there.
वहाँ पे भी possibility काफी कम था of them converting those chances. But once you have done that, you should be able to hold or be in that position. And as usual, Barca is gonna try to do some sort of magic because they have those kind of players. यार उनके पास Yamal है, Pedri है, and that is what happened. Yamal scored an absolute banger जहाँ पे वो easily dribble कर रहा है, काटते हुए तुम्हारे defense को, he was tearing that defense apart.
Absolutely. And I feel the match just went crazy after Yamal के बाद जब Ferran Torres का गोल हुआ था, which was also again created by Yamal. A great cross to Rafinha. Rafinha did an assist header and Ferran just scored it. It was crazy good and then now it's 2-2. उसके बाद Inter वापस lead लेता है. Dumfries gets a good free header. They score it. It's 3-2. यार अब भी तो defend कर लो. And I think I'm not gonna blame Inter for the final goal that they conceded because it was Rafinha's sheer luck and also a quality strike.
Yes.
It hits the crossbar, then it hits the keeper's head, it goes into the net, can't be helped. It was just valid free kick.
And it was a banger shot from outside the box. Like power थी अच्छी खासी, accuracy थी, and क्यों ना जाए?
Can't be it. It was just sheer luck with a great finish.
Yeah.
Then there was that one very disappointing offside जो यार मुझे दिल से लगा because that was a beautiful cross from Dumfries. It was perfectly placed, perfect curveball. Chalangilu hits it perfectly. It has to be a goal. Offside by barely a toenail.
Yes.
That was just sad.
Inter fans would be in tears after watching that particular offside goal.
Can't really say that because ऐसा तो नहीं था कि लक ने इंटर के साइड नहीं दी है. Lamine Yamal has hit the crossbar and the pole, so yeah, it was very close. No one could have said that either team should have won it, while everyone had better chances. The 3-3 game was genuinely great. It was full drama, fully fantastic. Now just talking about the players. यार तुमने already देख लिया ऑनलाइन क्या चल रहा है. Everyone is calling Lamine Yamal as the Messi, and I think he's genuinely there.
If Messi and Neymar, that's more of like if they have a baby, it would be Lamine Yamal. Because he is good at dribbling, he is good at finishing, he is good at creating those chances. And I feel 2025 ka best player would be him. I don't see any player coming close to him. Rafinha वगैरह भी अच्छा है, but boss वो quality जो pitch पे लाता and वो dominance, फिर वो grit बोल सकते कि बॉस वो मैचेस के पहले look at his Instagram वगैरह और किस तरह वो आके चीजें बोल के जाता है and he performs on the pitch, and this is what we expect from a player. And the best part is he's just 17, guys. Can you imagine the kind of things he would achieve if he stays in shape as in injuries वगैरह ना हो. बस I hope and I pray कि ये magical player को हम सभी witness कर रहे हैं बढ़ते हुए.
Again, I feel कि यार इसको पहला तो ओवर नहीं करना चाहिए, मेसी रोनाल्डो के साथ कंपेयर नहीं करना चाहिए, but even I agree with the statement. I think if he stays fit without any injuries and plays for decent amount of time until he's 35, 33, he has full potential to at least break some of the records that these guys have set across the years. Yeah, Lamine Yamal is just crazy. He is genuinely a fusion of Messi and Neymar. He brings that Brazilian flair, but he also has those crazy dribblings that Messi used to do, and he has that vision.
As well as finish.
Crazy Spanish vision of just creating game. वो complete player बनते जा रहा है and it's just crazy what's happening.
It gives me a joy to watch Barcelona का match. Though I'm a
Yeah,
Real Madrid fan,
100%.
but it just makes me happy. उसे ball दे दो and you just sit back and watch him do the magic on the pitch.
Absolutely. I still remember we used to have those conversations कि modern football since Klopp came in, Pep Guardiola started the Man City functioning, those high presses, creativity has been lost. Players like Hazard, Neymar, Messi शायद वापस ना दिखे हमें. Because the gameplay has changed a lot. Now the things required by you are not those creative things. You are not that flexible. You have a specific done, and if you do it, you win the game.
Yeah.
And then God of football has just gifted us Lamine Yamal, and I think I'm just in general happy. I think football is winning over here.
Things are gonna change, guys. Mark my word. This player is gonna. I think he's gonna rule football. Yeah. I see no player come close to him. The only player who has showed something like this was Mbappe back then in World Cup.
Agreed.
Okay, but अभी Mbappe भी यमाल के level पे नहीं है. This season तो नहीं है. Period.
Yes.
So yeah, guys, that's it today from our side. Thank you for making us a part of your day.
Thank you so much, guys, and don't forget to ping who's gonna win the second leg.